name is Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you all another quick and easy wig install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So this unit is from Sunber Hair. I received a 24-inch curly honey blonde highlighted wig, and I will leave all the information down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. But here I'm just showing you how everything looked once I first received it. I didn't have to plug the hairline on this wig, but I did go in and bleach the knots to my liking. And here I'm just showing you how everything looked once I finished bleaching the knots, and I did add a little makeup in the inside to help everything blend. So here I'm trying on the wig, and I'm also like adjusting it to fit to my liking. And I'm showing you I do not have to cut off any extra lace by my ear. The fit was just right. So once I cut off the extra lace, I'm then going to prep my skin. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my sea breeze, and I'm going to remove any extra makeup or oils that I may have on my skin. I used to use alcohol, but it started breaking me out, so now I use sea breeze and I don't have any problems. Once I'm finished prepping, the next thing I'm going to do is apply my meltdown lace glue. And all I'm doing is adding a thin layer going across, and then I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to wait till that layer turns clear, and I'm going to add another layer, and I'm doing the same process. And once it's finished, like it turns clear, I'm going to apply my lace. So I already decided that I wanted a half up, half down hairstyle. So all I'm doing now is sectioning off for my baby hair. And then once I did that, I took my hairspray and I sprayed it across. And then I'm taking my melting band and I'm applying it. I let my melting band sit on for about 10-15 minutes. So my camera died, and as I was charging it, I just went ahead and did my baby hair. I never really do it on camera anyway because I'm not good at them, so I just do whatever. So once my battery was finished charging, I'm showing you how I took my hot comb and I was trying to flat out the top for my ponytail. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, so after I did my ponytail at the top, I removed my melting band, and this is how it looks. I was really feeling this hairstyle. I really like this wig, from the color to the curl pattern, everything, okay? I will insert some photos showing you like the real color of this hair, because this camera kind of giving it more of a reddish look. But anyway, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I see you all in the next video. Bye bye.